When you're putting 40 to 60 hours a week and still ending up short on both money and time, it's frustrating, my friend. But look at here, over $900 commission in autopilot while I've just been enjoying my life. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I've been able to do that and how you can too by just working few hours a day around with your family. If you don't know me who I am, I'm Alan Mantaring. I'm a chef and digital creator. I have been built a 5-figure business online by just working 2 hours a day in digital marketing, and I teach others how to do the same. So if you aren't following me yet, go ahead and follow me, like this video, and save for later. I used to work as a chef, giving my job everything, only to end up financially struggling, and I was away from my family. I was living paycheck to paycheck and 30,000 in debt. And if it pays, there are some situations that I need to borrow money from my sister when my daughter was sick. Break my heart. And that's when I realized, I told myself I need to change. And in November 2023, I discovered digital marketing in Joint Community. I purchased digital training program and follow its step-by-step instruction. Over the last 6 months, this simple, easy-to-follow program has generated me over 43,000 by working just 2 hours a day around my family. The skills I've acquired from this program have transformed me into master marketer and content creator. I now attract customers who are already looking for what I'm offering without having to recruit big or chase anyone. My business is fully automated thanks to a pre-built business system provided by the program. This allows my business to run 24/7 non-stop at the background, giving me freedom to spend my time for whatever I want. Today, Monday, when most people are at work, I'm here in the comfort of my home creating content. This content generates daily commission at 100% profit. If you are tired of working 40 hours a week and not getting anywhere, and you want know how you can 10 times your income in less time by just working 2 hours from your phone, type yes in the comment section. I'll send you exactly I've been doing for the last 6 months that had me over $43,000, right? Earn more, work less, enjoy life. Let's go!